Hello students, good morning. How are you? Do hope all of you guys must be safe and sound. So today I am be here to discuss about the first poem, My Mother at 66, written by Kamala Das, and it is one of the most heart touching poem in which Kamala Das, the poetess, describes close proximate relationship as a daughter with her mother. So here actually some introductory information has been given, like that Kamala Das was born in Malabar, Kerala state, and she is recognized as one of the most India's foremost poetess, and her works are known for their originality and versatility and the indigenous flavor of the soil. So here actually we can also see about the Kamala Das contribution work as she has given in English literature. Here we can also know about that Kamala Das, whose nickname was Madhvi Kutti, and some of her works in English include like that Alphabet of Lust, a collection of short stories, Padmavati the Harlot, another short story also she composed, and My Mother at 66 is one of the best, greatest example of Kamala Das poetic composition. So before you read, I would like to also say about that the main central theme of this poem about aging. Aging is a natural process, and have ever thought what our elderly parents expect from us when he or she becomes old aged. So before getting all of you guys into details and depth, I would like to tell you that this poem is neither written in couplets or stanzas. It is a free form of verses, and individually segment of this poem, it is divided into the simplest and clear lines which can be connected with a comma. So let's have a look. The first line of this poem: driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning. Kamala Das also says that it was a time when I was at my mother's home, and after completing my fun due to the holiday session which was going on, I returned from my mother's home to the Cochin last Friday morning. It was incident which took place on last Friday morning. I saw my mother beside me. Actually, Kamala Das was on her way to the airport, and she was driving a car, and her mother was sitting beside of her. In this situation, what did she observe? My mother was dozed means she was nodding, she was taking a cat nap. Open mouthed, my mother's mouth was half opened, her face ascend like that of a corpse. Ascend means a burning type of powder which is remaining after the process gets over, and it is converted into the ash, means we can also say that it is one kind of the left powder. It is looking like corpse. Corpse means dead body. When my mother was sitting beside of me, when I was driving a car to the airport, that time I saw my mother in sleeping condition, and while sleeping she kept her mouth half opening, and she was taking a cat nap. And here we can also say that my mother's face color, it was turned into the gloominess, and it was totally looking like a corpse, means a dead body. Realized with a pen, and after having an observation about her mother, Kamala Das realizing one kind of the pen, that she thought away, she was kept realizing, she was kept thinking and thinking, and looked but soon put that thought away in order to come out this pen, and in order to perplexities about her mother's old aging process. Kamala Das was so worried, and after in order to come out this pen, she looked out of her car's window, and outside she started observing much in more things like that. First is that, and looked out at young trees sprinting. Kamala Das also saw many trees coming outside, and he came and went. The merry children, merry means enthusiastic students, spilling out of their home, means they all of children were in full of high spirits mood, and they were gathered in the playground, in the open vast spacious ground which was belonged to her way to the airport. And but after the airport's security check, as soon as Kamala Das reached to the airport side, and after the security process got it over, standing a few yards, Kamala Das was making a few distance, means standing a few yards means a few miles. She was standing, and I looked again at her, and second time Kamala Das looked her mother's face again, which was turned into the van. Van means colorless, pale, yellowish as a late winter's moon, and Kamala Das here compared her mother's face with a late winter's moon, which was totally turned into the gloominess, and felt that old. And she was also realized how my mother, she becomes so old. Familiar ache means pain. These all of things it was posing of her Kamala Das stories as she was related, and it becomes a central theme of this poem. My childhood's fear, and it was my childhood's fear, which was still also alive. But all I said was, see you soon, Amma. All I did was smile and smile and smile. And when the time came to giving a bidding adieu, with a smiling with a little bit of face, Kamala Das' face was lighting up with a little bit of enthuse, but actually it did not look like. And Kamala Das also said that when the time came to giving a bidding adieu, I spoke out only two words, smile and smile. Means here, see you soon, Amma. Next time, if God wants, and if you will be here, I will meet you. And next time you will be here or not, no one knows that. And with this grief stricken of her heart, Kamala Das gave a bidding adieu, and story comes to an end. It is really heart touching poem. So students do see, and if you have any doubts or confusion, just to ask me. Okay, bye bye. Until then, take care of your health.